Imagine a simple food choice that could completely transform your body in just 30 days. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that eating tomatoes for 30 days could be the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you? Today, many of us face a range of health issues that can be traced back to our diets. We're often guilty of consuming too much processed food, sugary drinks, and not enough nutrients. This can lead to issues like weight gain, low energy, and even chronic diseases. The truth is, what we eat has a profound impact on our overall well-being. For example, a diet lacking in essential vitamins and minerals can lead to skin problems, digestive issues, and even mental health concerns. And it's not just about the food itself. It's also about the lifestyle that comes with it. Sedentary jobs, lack of exercise, and high levels of stress can all take a toll on our bodies. The impact of poor diet and lifestyle can be seen in the rising rates of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. These are serious health issues that can have a significant impact on our quality of life. It's time to take control of our health and make a change. So what can we do to turn things around? The answer might be simpler than you think. Enter the humble tomato. Rich in vitamins A and C, potassium, and antioxidants, tomatoes are a nutritional powerhouse that can have a significant impact on our health. Tomatoes have been shown to aid in weight loss, improve skin health, and even reduce the risk of certain diseases. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. The antioxidants in tomatoes can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major contributor to many chronic diseases. But don't just take my word for it. I've heard countless stories of people who've incorporated tomatoes into their diet and seen amazing results. One powerful testimonial that really stood out to me was from a woman named Sarah. She was struggling with acne and low energy, but after completing the 30-day tomato challenge, she noticed a significant improvement in her skin and had more energy than ever before. Sarah's story is just one example of the incredible benefits that can be achieved by eating tomatoes for 30 days. The best part is that it's not just about the physical benefits, it's also about the mental shift that comes with taking control of your health. When we make conscious choices about the food we eat, we start to feel more empowered and confident in our ability to make positive changes in our lives. So what can we take away from this challenge? The key takeaway is that incorporating tomatoes into your diet can lead to significant health improvements. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your skin health, or just feel more energetic, tomatoes are a great place to start. If you're interested in learning more about healthy eating habits and how you can transform your body, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more tips and tricks for making positive changes to your diet. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on the 30-day tomato challenge. I'd love to hear from you.